guys, hey, my name is Barbara D. I work out here at Guaranty RV in trailers and vans. Man, I love this work. And I'm going to show you a used trailer today. I don't always do this, but this is a dandy, and a lot of folks are looking for something like this as the summer wears on and you're getting ready to go on out there. Notice that it's got a gel coat cap, so it's got a full cap that deflects the wind. You also have some nice LED lighting. We have oversized tanks here. We have an electric tongue jack, so it's super easy to get on and off the ball. No cranking anything up, you just touch a button, it's all ready for you, even has a light. As we come around, this company offers a structural warranty, and they do that because they build them so well they probably don't have to honor them very often. Solar. It's really loaded with a lot of stuff, and I'm going to do something a little different today. I'm going to come in through the master bedroom. It has two doors here, so this door is the entry into the master bedroom, and then the door down the way is, of course, the main door. So come on in. This is a nice bed. It's a long bed, so someone that's tall could enjoy it. As you see, that Guaranty has a brand new mattress on it. It's beautiful. It's got some storage on each side, a closet, a USB port, many advantages there. Independent lighting, lots of storage over here. This is a beautiful closet, overhead storage, vent up top. We can put a TV for you right here. I want you to come on down this way. So look at this. Look at this. This is like a house. It has everything. You could have, 6, 7, 8 people in here. So a lot of times what happens when we have this beautiful rear window, I'm a firm believer that this window is a dandy because many times when you are RVing, you back into the view, folks. That's just the way it is. That's the ocean. That's the beautiful stream. That's the meadow, or whatever the case may be. Now this is going to make into a regular bed. It'll fold, these two cushions come off, and it folds out to be a very nice, comfortable double bed. Over here, you got a couple of recliners. So you can sit down here, put your things in here, pop this out, and there you go. You can lay it out. Literally, you can lay down in here and watch TV. And then the cameraman turns around, you'll see this is looking right at our entertainment center. Complete with the sound bar from Jensen. So you're actually going to get great sound and clarity. And notice that this is a used unit, but it's got a brand new TV. So from time to time people buy something like this and it's just not exactly what they anticipated. Sometimes it's various reasons that people change up like they do. But in this case, it's going to be an advantage to you if you're considering a used RV. It's got a 10 cubic foot refrigerator. This is a giant refrigerator. And it works on gas and electric. So if you're plugged in, it's going to work on the electricity, and if you're not, it's going to work on the gas. Got a nice skylight here. High, the cameraman's pretty tall, and I'm relatively short. So you've got more than 6 foot ceiling here. Microwave. It's all the stainless steel appliances. So you've got the microwave, you've got the stove. This folds up like this, gives you quite a bit of space. Nice backdrop here, a light underneath it. All this counter space here. Nice big sink. A double stainless steel sink, which you don't often see. So, like I said, this is a Dutchmen product. It's an Aerolite is the brand. You've got all this storage here, a deck of drawers here, drawers under the 24-inch oven. This will also make down into a bed. There's storage under here. It's a nice closet here, or pantry, so to speak. And then you've got a door here. And it's got a nice bathroom. I'm just going to have you pop in here with me real quick. I'm not very big, but there's plenty of room in this shower. It's really quite nice. And you've got a nice basin, a porcelain toilet. And what they do here is this gives you an opportunity when you are the host and the hostess, you can use the lavatory when other people are sleeping in other parts of the RV. So let's take a quick look at the outside, and then what I really would like for you to do is to come out and see me. Call me. I always answer my phone. It's 541-521-4232. Ask me a few questions. I'm here to help you. We can just come right out here and do a quick walk around the back. And the rest is, you know, seeing is believing. You got this big window, you got a backup camera, you got a spare tire here, you got a great big, beautiful slide. We've got automatic, we've got electric stabilizers on this. It's a 30 amp service, it'll fit anywhere. Here's your outdoor shower. So with all that being said, my name is Barbara D at Guaranty. So come on out here. Take a look at some of the things we have, new and used. This is a used Aerolite, nice trailer. My number is 541-521-4232. I look forward to meeting you. Thank you.